Oh, hello. So I'm gonna use this. I just got it. You hear it? I mean, I've used it a couple times. It works really good, so I thought I would show you guys how I use it. Watch how quickly this works. Kind of hard if it's like short hair, but it doesn't. Like, it gives it a nice fresh flow. I do it in like 3 parts. So I'm gonna do it like that, and then I'm gonna do like the next layer under that. Maybe more. I'm just kidding. This great volume. My hair is always just a little fluffy. I need a new haircut because whatever we did with this before is growing out and it looks kind of funny, huh? So this thing works like really well on dry hair. It kind of just gives you like a fresh start. It says wet and dry, and it will. I've done it when your hair is like fresh out of the shower, and then you do this fresh and it will dry your hair and style it. Anyway, you get it. You see what I mean. Toodles.